purifiers, even if more and more popular, are still shrouded in mystery and, well, a whole lot of myths. Let's dive in and bust 7 of the most popular tales about them. Some of these might just blow your mind. Myth number 1. One air purifier is enough for the whole house. No. You choose an air purifier for a specific room, not your entire crib. Because the air between rooms doesn't mix as much as you might think. You can move your purifier to another room as long as the room size is about the same. That way, your purifier works at its best. And that's what you're aiming for, right? Myth number 2. An air purifier completely cleans the air in a room in 100%. Let's be real, an air purifier isn't a magician. While it does an awesome job at filtering out pollutants, allergens, smoke, viruses, and bacteria, it can't guarantee 100% clean air. There's always gonna be that one pesky particle that slips through the filters. Myth number 3. All air purifiers are the same. Saying that all air purifiers are the same is like saying all phones are the same because they make calls. Air purifiers vary in filtration technology, power, efficiency, and extra features like night modes and air quality indicators. Some are designed to tackle allergens head-on, while others are better at dealing with smoke or chemical pollutants. Myth number 4. An air purifier is too noisy for nighttime. False alarm. Thankfully, tech has advanced. Many purifiers run so quietly, especially on lower settings, that you might wonder if it's even on. Some have a special night mode that's so silent you can snooze right through without a care in the world. Myth number 5. Running an air purifier is expensive. The upfront cost of an air purifier can be steep, but it's an investment in your health for years to come. Most models are energy efficient, so running costs are pretty low, even if you're using it 24/7. True, you will need to replace filters, which adds an extra cost, but it's what keeps your purifier so effective. Myth number 6. You don't need an air purifier if you clean regularly. Even if you're the cleaning champ, you can't catch all the allergens and pollutants in the air. Air purifiers snag those microscopic particles you can't see with the naked eye: pollen, dust mites, smoke, bacteria, and viruses. It's like having an extra layer of protection. Myth number 7. With an air purifier at home, you never need to clean again. I wish this were true. Even though an air purifier does a stellar job at catching tiny pollutants and reducing dust, you've still gotta clean every now and then. So skipping out on cleaning is not an option. An air purifier is a fantastic addition to your home, but doesn't replace the need for regular airing out and cleaning. Keep an open mind and realistic expectations when it comes to your purifier. Got an air purifier at home? Heard any myths that shocked or cracked you up? Share in the comments below. If you like this video, smash the like button and hit subscribe to stay connected. Thanks for watching and see you next time!